name is Patricia and welcome to my channel. How do you like my makeup today? Do I look like JLo? This video is inspired by Tati and Scott, so that's gonna be my beauty bible today. So if you wanna see me achieving this look, then keep on watching. He doesn't use primer, so I will not use primer today. Scott's very first tip is highlighting, so I will use my Tarte shape tape. Brush that he called cat paw. I'm gonna use this brush. I forgot my chin. He's doing contour, and I'm gonna use my Nars multiple stick in shade Cappadoce, which is this. Use this to cut my jaw. So you can see. Then using this to minimize forehead. I don't want to minimize my forehead too much because your face needs to be proportionate. This portion and this portion. I'm gonna use the same shade and same brush for my contour. You really drag down to here. I need to use a tiny brush to contour my nose and my lips. Mine is not going to be parallel. Roll it. Now I'll contour my lips. This is gonna make my lip bigger. Juicy, pouty lips. And then my collarbone. He's making a V here. Excuse me. He's applying foundation on body first and then on face. So I'm gonna use this brush to apply my foundation. After doing all these, if I look anything like JLo, I'll be really glad. This brush is tiny, so I have to work a little hard. Blend everything. Now I have to use lighter foundation for my face. and we have to keep the highlighting and contour in place, so you have to blend carefully. I'm using my same brush for my face. So he's using cream blush. Again, I will use my Nars multiple stick for my blush. This is in shade Laos. Cream blush is great for natural looking blush. I'll use my concealer again to highlight. I have to do corner of my eye too. So at some point he blended nose, and I'm gonna use a tiny brush to blend my nose contour. I'm just patting the brush on my nose. I'm gonna make my nose tiny, teeny, slim nose. Now I'm gonna use a brush to blend everything together. So that I don't have any harsh line. They didn't show what they really use for priming eyes. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyes. I will use my Laura Mercier powder to set my face. I'm gonna use my Smashbox angle powder brush. The peachy shade to cancel any blue tone to this area. I have a tiny brush. I don't have the big brush, but I'm gonna still work. Highlighting my face. Very thin line. Okay. Oh, he lighted brow bone too. Before doing brows, he is applying highlighter here. I have to follow the process. I have to trust it. Like he said, marrying everything together. Okay, with the palette, and I'm gonna use this to contour with a very light hand. I always use Neutrogena sunscreen. This is really good. So he used a different one, and I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna use this. Wow. Yeah. So beautiful. So he said glowy and holy. Adding some more highlighters on the body to glow more. Then let's see what he's doing. So I'm gonna line my lip with pencil. It is a brown pencil, juicy and powder lip. So he made it round here, and connect. And lip gloss, and he's dragging lip gloss to the outward, not inward. I've got some cute lipstick to the center to make it more pouty. This is my ABH in Pure Hollywood shade. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my eyebrows first with my Huda brow blade. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. But I'd still try to make them look similar, but they don't look similar. Now I'm gonna use my Maybelline brow tattoo, which has a little bit shiny because Scott used a little bit shiny product for eyebrows. I don't have the same product, so I'm gonna use this. I'm using my brow gel now to set my eyebrows. So for eyes, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette. I'm gonna use this shade. This copper shade, so I'm gonna use this shade from my Huda Beauty Toothpaste palette and fill the gap. I'm gonna use my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. I love this one because that helps me to reach my shorter eyelashes. I'm gonna use my little lashes in style So Extra My Coons. So I did my hair and put on my lashes, snatch it, because he said this is his natural look. Natural but snatched. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next. Bye.